left of the morning. It's almost noon. I have decided that I'm gonna be doing one vlog per week and one sit-down video per week. So you guys are gonna be getting 2 videos a week. They could be 2 days in a row. They could be very spread out throughout the week. I don't know. I'm not gonna set a schedule for it, but the plan is to get 2 videos up a week, different kinds. And the vlogs are gonna be for you guys who have been my followers for so long and you're interested in my daily, you know, like life that doesn't have anything special. And then the other ones are gonna be to try and attract some new people to this little family. So that will be good. And I'm very excited. So today is a productive day. I had a nice, relaxing morning. I had breakfast. I wanted to show you guys my new water bottle because one of my resolutions was to drink more water. And this one is really cool because it has the times on it. It's not like any fancy technology where it reminds you or anything. You just kind of have to remember. So it's almost 12 o'clock and I am just about at the 12 o'clock mark. And then you refill it at 1 o'clock and then you're good to go. So that's really fun. I'm going to Michael's to get a couple of things, but my grandma gave me a really old jean jacket that she has and I wanted to paint something on the back of it. I thought that'd be just a fun project for myself. I'm not going to be putting them in the shop or anything because I don't need that much work and I don't even have the artistic talent to do that for other people, so we'll see how mine turns out. And then I just have to get some more things to prepare for the launch of mystery teas very soon. So we're doing that, probably gonna get Starbucks and then gonna sell some of my things online. We'll see. Let's go. Flower section is always my favorite. Wow. Spring is coming. Wow. Beautiful. I saw someone decorate their entire car with fake flowers and I thought that was so cute. It looked so pretty. I love all the signs. Look at how cute these things are. I love, my goodness. I had the genius idea that I didn't even need fabric paint. I have screen printing ink and I could literally make a design and screen print it onto my jean jacket. I don't know why I thought I had to hand paint it. That would be fun, but I'm never fully happy when I hand paint something. It always looks different in my head. So if I'm able to make it and then cut out a stencil for it, it'll be great. So I'm very excited to do that today for fun. And now it's Starbucks time because I am so tired. My head is hurting and I need coffee. I saw that they have something new in the app. It's like a honey almond milk cold brew, and that sounds good, but I don't like honey, so it actually doesn't sound good.
You might like it with the coffee and everything, though.
I don't know. The way they just do the picture, they really get you.
It just looks like anything.
But I don't think I need that. It's probably extra money. So I'm probably just gonna get a regular cold brew with almond milk or something. I'm very excited.
Get some like cinnamon or something fun.
Yeah, we'll see.
Cinnamon cold foam.
Cinnamon cold foam? Maybe.
Or what is it called?
Yeah,
what it is?
cinnamon almond milk or
Yeah.
something like that. Cheers, guys. Oh wow, that's not sweet at all. I should probably add some sugar. Yum. I just got regular cold brew with almond milk, but it's really strong, which I needed today. Oh, I gotta take a thumbnail. Which one are you gonna pick? Which one do you want to play with? Huh? Pick one. This is a cute picture. Look at you and your friends. You're forgetting a couple over there. They feel left out.
Okay. That's pretty good. Oh, you knocked it over. Okay, wait, can we do whisper?
We're back home now. I just had some lunch. It was so good. I had spaghetti squash and sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts. Very healthy lunch today. It's nice because my mom's been meal prepping a lot of things, so then I get to use it. It's very nice to not have to think about what to eat. So I am now gonna try to think of an idea for this jean jacket. and I found an inspiration picture that I think is really cool, and I like the style of it. A lot of people just fill in that like rectangle that's on the back, if you know what I mean. But this one is really cool, and it goes outside of it, and they kind of use the white as like a messy canvas, and I want to think of like some kind of quote or passage to put with like an image over it. And I can't think of anything. But if you're watching this, I did think of something. So future me, what did I think of? I need to know. I'm here in my little studio with the jean jacket. It was my grandma's. She thought I would like to do something with it. Like the sleeves are all frayed, so you can tell that it's old. And you know how jean jackets are usually so stiff? This is like the softest jean jacket and most flexible thing that I've ever felt. So it's gonna be really nice to have, and it's an oversized fit, so I love it. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like. Please have a good laugh at all of the supplies that my mom has bought over the past COVID time. We have so many paper towels and toilet paper. Okay, so this is the jacket. It's really nice and distressed, and it's gonna be full of a beautiful design. So I thought of it, I got it, and it's based on that inspiration. So thank you to whoever, I don't even know who made that, but it gave me the idea for what I want to do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is paint the back all like messy with my screen printing ink. So that is very exciting. I have this whole thing of white. It doesn't say not to use it on denim, so it's best for cotton, polyester blends, linen, rayon, synthetic fibers. Denim is not really one of those, is it? But we're just gonna go with it today. Denim, what is denim even made out of? Does anybody know? Is denim just denim? Or is it like some kind of, I don't know. But either way, we're gonna cross our fingers and hope that this works, because it's my only hope. Alright, let's get going with this background, and then we're gonna have to wait for it to dry for a little bit and do the other steps. This might take me a lot longer than expected, but hopefully I'll still have time to sell some of my items, or at least like list them today. Just a couple of things. Then I'll be doing that like the rest of the week. So let's paint the background. Okay, so this is what we're going for. Okay, that took a while, but I think it looks pretty good and distressed, and now I'm going to blow dry it, and after that's dried, I'm going to write all of the words out. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Alan Watts, but he is a British man. I don't think he's alive anymore, but he used to make a bunch of different speeches about psychology and love and dreams, and you've probably heard them in the back of like inspirational videos or something. But he has a lot of amazing quotes about love, and I wanted to make this jacket all about love and loving yourself and love in general. So I'm going to be putting a couple of his quotes on the white part, just in my own handwriting, kind of sloppy, whatever, in fabric paint. And then once that is dry, we can continue with the picture design, and I'm so excited. Hopefully I'm going to screen print the rest of the elements of the jean jacket, and I will show you my design in a second, but I really hope it works, because I hope that the screen can like get flat on the jacket. It looked like it had a lot of bumps in it, but we'll see what we can do. Going in. So these were my two inspiration pictures, and I did like a line drawing of these hands, and I put some flowers behind it, or I guess underneath it, and this is what I'm putting on the jacket. So the hands will be black outlines. Sorry about the cricket, by the way. These will be like peachy, orangey colored, and hopefully I can find a way to get the stems to be green. We'll see. Okay, so I wrote out the quotes, but now I'm thinking that this is all cut out and stuff, but I feel like it's too small to stand out against the words. So I was thinking I might put it below the words, and then do all kinds of flowers coming up and around, and maybe some flowers in the middle of the words, just because it's not really meant to be read. It's kind of supposed to be like a background, so we'll see. you do an art project of some kind and you just keep adding things to it until eventually you don't like it anymore. I still like it, but this was one of those times where I just kept adding and adding elements of it. But I think that works with the kind of design I was going for. It's kind of all over the place. It's just for me. It was my creative expression of the day. And I'm going to try it on, even though I know it's still a little bit wet. Because I just want to show you guys. I got to put the hair... Oh, you know what? I probably shouldn't put the hair down because my hair's going to get ruined. Okay. I'll do it this way. We have a giant storage area down here, but I think it's really cool. Looks like a normal jean jacket. Oh my god. I don't want to mess it up. But the screen printing did not go as planned. It's very hard to screen print on a jean jacket. But guys, I'm about to turn around. Let me lower you a little bit. Whoop-pow. Wait, that's cool. That looks really cool. What? Oh, do you like it? I think it's really fun. Wow. Here it is up close. It's got some good quotes on it. That looks pretty cool, actually. I am not gonna lie, I kind of like it. Alright, it's 6 o'clock now. I have to finish drinking my water bottle for the hour. I didn't finish the 6 o'clock yet. But then I'm gonna do something that I've been doing a lot lately, which is walk for like 30 minutes on the treadmill. We have a treadmill, so it's good that I'm able to do that because it's freezing right now, but I've been loving taking walks lately and watching a show or watching YouTube videos or just listening to music. But I usually like to watch something so it goes by faster. And then maybe I'll do a workout video after that. Woo! But yay, look how cute! I love it. Okay, I am all done with the jacket and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And now I'm gonna do some walking on the treadmill, but I finished the whole water bottle for the day, all the times listed. So now I just drink it whenever I feel like it. Not a time limit thing, but I put cucumbers in it before and that was a game changer, honestly, because it tastes better than anything. Okay, I guess I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and go for a stroll. Walk is done and we've been doing these bar classes on Peloton. We have the app on the TV and they're really good because it feels like you're not sweating or anything. Well, you kind of sweat, but you're not out of breath at all and it just works the muscles, so it's very good. And we're gonna do an arms and core bar class, so enjoy this little time lapse. Did it. That must have been a very funny time lapse, but we were like screaming in pain because we never do arms and my arms are going to be so sore tomorrow. But hooray. Now I have to go see what I can sell or list on, I think I'm going to use Mercari. I've never used it before. I usually use Poshmark, so we will see how it goes if anyone buys anything. Usually when I use Poshmark, people buy things within like a week at least. But it depends if it's old, if it looks worn down, whatever. So let's go look at my room / closet, see what we can find. I'm actually gonna shower first, but I wanted to show you guys my favorite thing that I got for Christmas, and I've been using it every single day. It's an oil diffuser, but it's like a fancy oil diffuser. Let me show you. Here it is. I don't know if you can tell the texture of this. Come on, focus. But it's like scratchy, like ceramic. I don't know, ceramic stone, I'm not sure. But it's like super fancy, and let's turn it on. Oh yeah, that's nice. And it just fills the whole room and it's amazing. Look at my self-care right here. Boom, boom. Okay, I just showered. It's almost 9 o'clock already, so this day is getting away from me to do these things, but I can always do it tomorrow or another day. It's not, you know, that important that I do it right now, but I have an old iPad mini that I used to use in high school. It hasn't been turned on in years, so I'm gonna have to charge it, clean it up, and take some pictures of it because it's like annoyingly dirty. And then I also have a Kindle that has been out of battery for probably 5 years and a case that's in pretty good condition. So I think these will both sell if I clean them up and take good pictures of them. And I'm trying to think of what else I could sell for right now. I also don't know how much to list those kinds of things for because they obviously were expensive once upon a time, but they are outdated because they come out with new things all the time. And then I have my closet. I have some shoes that I could sell. I don't think I've worn these Sperry's more than one time. They were a trend. I have some other boots that I never ever wear. And I don't know about clothes right now. Who's gonna buy like somebody's random clothes? I mean, I know people do, but I have to really think about what people would want before I spend my time. So maybe today I can just, or the rest of the night, I can just think about what I want to sell, and then tomorrow or another day I can actually list them. So I'm actually gonna do my hair tonight. That's why I middle parted it. I never like middle parted out of the shower, but I'm gonna do my hair, and I am gonna be doing something very different and exciting for the next video that you'll see. And I'm a little bit nervous about it because it's a lot. It's probably the most creative thing that I have done ever for this channel, and it's really just for myself because this year I want to be unapologetically creative. I want to just do what comes in my head and not care what people think about it, and just do it because I like it, as long as I'm proud of it at the end of the day. So that's what I'm thinking about right now, so you'll just have to wait and see what that is. I don't even know if it's gonna come out well, but I'm gonna do something pretty cool. So another thing as an actor is that you need to create your own content all the time, and I'm obviously a content creator on YouTube here, but I've never like directed something, written something, and produced it myself, and I'm gonna start doing that this year. I'm gonna stop waiting for opportunities to come to me. I'm gonna start making my own opportunities, because that is the best thing I can do, especially in a time like this. So that is what I will keep doing, and you guys will be updated on it. So I will see you in the next video.